Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the XRP ETF token. Now this token is listed on coinsniper.net in the pre-sale section. Their pre-sale started April 14th and it looks like it goes all the way until July 14th, so this is a pretty long pre-sale. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. Even though it's an XRP ETF token, it's on the Binance Smart Chain. They have a full white paper, webpage, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, and they have an audit. Ticker symbol is XRPETF. Now we're going to go over the information on this token, on this pre-sale, and we're going to check the audit. We're going to see if there's any security issues, any red flags that you should be concerned about. Some of these pre-sales, these initial coin offerings on web pages can be pretty sketchy, so it's a great idea, obviously, to review the audit. We're going to look for a team doxing, all that type of stuff. We're going to do all that in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they do have a full audit. We're going to have a look at that in a second. So pre-sale's on now. It's already started, and it says it ends July 14th, and their hard cap is 5 million USDT. So I guess if they reach 5 million USDT before July 14th, the pre-sale may also be over before then. But they have a Telegram here that you can follow at XRPETF_token. Has 1,301 members, 4 of them online. The official group of the XRP ETF token. Their official webpage is xrpetftoken.io. And they have a Twitter as well. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen there as usual. Blue verified checkmark, only 28 tweets. Has a link to their webpage right there. Their Twitter is at XRP_ETF_token. 4,542 Twitter followers. It says, we are the official account of XRP ETF token and pre-sale is live at, and then it has a link to their webpage. And their most recent tweet here is from April 26, 2 days ago. So they're still, somewhat active on here, tweeting every couple of days or so. And they have a pinned tweet. It says, the moment you've been waiting for is finally here. XRP pre-sale is officially live, offering you the opportunity to invest in the future of cryptocurrency. So if you go over to their webpage, you can actually find also a 15-page... Is it 15 pages? 9-page white paper. So it says, in the ever-evolving world of digital assets, XRP token emerges as an XRP ETF token emerges as a revolutionary departure from traditional exchange-traded fund tokens. Big disclaimer at the top of their white paper, so always read the disclaimers. And it says, far from being just another entry in the market, XRP ETF token embodies a visionary project aimed at ascending the ranks of the top 500 on CoinMarketCap. XRP ETF presents a distinctive opportunity for investors to participate and partake in the forthcoming benefits anticipated with the approval of exchange-traded fund status. Our endeavor stands apart, driven by a robust mechanism, strategic foresight, and meticulously crafted growth plan. As you delve into this paper, we invite you to explore the unique proposition that this token offers investors seeking innovation, opportunity, and sustained growth in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Our mission at XRPETF is to redefine the landscape of digital asset investment by transcending the conventional boundaries of ETF tokens. Our vision is to make a big community and make this project big with a visionary approach. Our primary objective is to secure a coveted position among the top 500 cryptos. Leveraging a robust mechanisms, strategic initiatives, and meticulously devised growth plans, we are committed to providing investors with unparalleled benefits and opportunities by fostering innovation, transparency, and sustainable growth. XRP ETF token aims to set a new standard of excellence in the cryptocurrency space, empowering investors to navigate the evolving market landscape with confidence and success. They are pleased to announce the start of their pre-sale with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. We are allocating 482 million tokens to the pre-sale phase, aim at raising $5 million to fuel the development of the expansion of our platform. This strategic allocation ensures ample opportunity for early investors to participate in our vision for the future of digital asset investment. Now, they're going to have staking rewards. We prioritize rewards for early investors. Through our staking rewards program, early participants have the opportunity to earn substantial returns on their investments with a daily reward of 0.25%. So there's going to be staking. So that's, and then they have the tokenomics on here. So 48.2% goes to the pre-sale, 20% goes to the staking allocation, 10% of the supply will be burned, 5% of the supply will go to the team, and 16.8% will be for liquidity. Now, besides that, they have different phases of the pre-sale. Looks like 5 different phases. And they show the launching price. There's a roadmap on here. So basically they start with the pre-sale, then the pre-launch. And they're going to do some burning implementations. So they offer innovation, accessibility, opportunity, value creation, etc. And yeah, then there's a big conclusion. Token address coming soon, it says. Now, actually, you can see the token address on CoinSniper. They have the Binance Smart Chain address over there. And you can find it also in their audit. So they have an audit by coinsalt.net. They don't have a KYC and they don't have a team doc. So just be aware of that. No team doxing or KYC. Now, I'm looking at the audit and already I see a warning. So it says owner cannot mint new tokens, so that's good. No blacklisting, no honeypot. Owner cannot set fees. Now it says trade. This is the big warning here. It says trading has to be enabled, and I'm going to put that up somewhere here so you guys can easily see that. And it says there's 29 holders so far. So that's, what are the 29 holders? I don't know. And also on top of the trading has to be enabled, they have 2 low-risk issues as well. So there's a lot of risks involved with this project because there's a high risk with the trading has to be enabled first. And then there's also 2 other low risks that could cause problems as well. So just be aware of that. Just because this token has an audit, it doesn't mean it's a perfect audit. There's definitely warnings in this audit that could lead to potential scams. Now, the thing is, I don't know for sure if it's going to be a scam, and I don't know for sure if it's not going to be a scam. It's very hard to say right now. Now, you can get the token off their webpage, XRPETFtoken.com, by connecting your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet, entering BNB. It says they've sold 10% of their tokens so far. And they have all these partners on here like Bing and Amazon, ChatGPT, like these strange partners. There's all these different news articles that they've been featured in. But yeah, I would say there's a lot of risk with this token here. I can't say it's a scam and I can't say it's not, obviously, because I have no idea until it actually happens. But I definitely would say take this with 100 grains of salt and thoroughly do your own research before investing because of all those warnings on the audit. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.